Good afternoon. The governor addressing the state again this morning about coronavirus for almost 40 minutes. Today, he asked Kentuckians to prepare themselves to think differently for the next few months. LEX 18's Claire Kopsky was there this morning. She brings us the latest now from the Capitol in today's LEX 18 Big Story at noon.
This morning, the governor's message was clear. Kentuckians need to be teammates as the country works through this virus outbreak.
This is somebody who was not taking the coronavirus seriously.
This morning, the governor showed the example of NBA player Rudy Gobert not taking the coronavirus seriously, and then he ended up contracting the virus as well. The governor pled with the public to practice social distancing and be a good neighbor and teammate by considering the most vulnerable, those over 60 with heart and lung and kidney diseases, as well as diabetes, and those with compromised immune systems. Today, he is recommending temporary closure of the 195 senior centers throughout Kentucky to all in-person activities. He says meals should be still given, but some by home delivery. Secondly, effective immediately this morning, Kentucky Employers Mutual Insurance will provide wage replacement benefits for first responders and medical professionals who are in self-isolation due to the exposure of the virus. Third, Kentucky state boards and commissions will be offering video teleconferencing. He says they've made changes to this to comply with the Open Meetings Act. So far across the state, they've tested 118 people, which has produced 11 positive tests and 107 negative tests. Right now, the Kentucky Commissioner of Health explained the country does not have enough tests to hand out unlimited tests, and neither does Kentucky.
The test is not yet unlimited. We want the test to be unlimited. We have voiced our concerns and our needs to the federal government to work with the partners who have the resources to make it unlimited as fast as we can. But until that happens, and even when it happens, I ask you to trust the healthcare providers and those of us who are trying to give you credible information that the test itself is not a silver bullet. It's a really powerful tool that we need, but it has to be used with care and thought for when it's beneficial, not just a confusing piece of information.
This morning, the governor did provide an update on the 3 new cases of the virus that brings the total here in Kentucky to 11 cases. In Harrison County, a 51-year-old male. In Fayette County, a 31-year-old female. And in Jefferson County, they are still waiting to confirm. Now, the governor is expected to address the public again tonight at 5 o'clock. In Frankfort, Claire Kopsky, LEX 18 News.